Number 1, solve the equation 5 2y minus 1 equals to 6 times 3y, giving your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So first, we have to collect all the y's on the left side. So we can change 5 2y minus 1, remove the 3y, so divided by 3y will be equals to 6. And then 5 2y minus 1 is 5 2y times 5 minus 1 over 3y equals to 6. So we can rewrite as 5 square to the power of y over 5 times 3 to the power of y equals to 6. So this is equals to 25 to the power of y over 3 to the power of y. And then the 5 multiplied to the right. So we have 5 times 6 equals to 30. And then we can collect the numbers 25 over 3 to the power of y because they are the same index, yeah? So equals to 30. And then to find the value of y, we can just use the logarithm. So y is equals to log 30 over log 25 over 3. So just put it in the calculator. Log 30 divided by log 25 over 3 equals to 1.60. 3 decimal places. So 0.4. Yeah. So this is the answer for number 1. Remember, we have to use all the rules in indices. Yeah, especially in here, we use a to the power of m over b to the power of m equals to a over b to the power of m. Yeah, we use it in here. And then in here, we use the rules that the definition of the logarithm. The 25 over 3 will be the base of the log. So in this case, I can rewrite as log to the base of 25 over 3 of 30 will be equals to y. And then I can change this into this. So I change the base, so it will be the base of 10. So that's the result for number 1. B, solve the equation giving your answer in exact form. Okay, so we can rewrite this one first. E to x minus 4 plus e over e to x equals to 0. And then by making y equals to e to x, so I can change it into y minus 4 plus 3 over y equals to 0. And then I can just multiply by y everything. So y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. And we can factorize this. Y minus 3 minus 1. So y equals to 1 or y equals to 3. And then we change back y equals to e to the power of 2x. So e to the power of 2x equals to 1. That means the 2x will be equals to 0. Or I just rewrite as ln 1, which is equals to 0. So x equals to 0. Or e to the power of 2x equals to 3. So the 2x is, the reverse of e is ln. So ln 3. So that means x equals to 1 over 2 ln 3. That's it. Yeah. for the exact form, so I need to change into the decimal. Number 2, write 2 plus 3 plus 2 log A, log to the base of A 10, yeah, minus half log for B squared. This is also the base 10. A and B are both positive as a single logarithm to the base 10. So we have to change the 3 into the log, yeah. So the 3 can be multiplied by 1. 1 is the log of 10, 10, plus 2 log A. So I can remove the 2 by put it as a power, log 10 A squared, minus, do the same thing, log base 10 for B squared to the power of half. So we change this, we put 3 as the power, log base 10, 10 cubed, plus log base 10 A squared, minus log base 10 for B squared to the power of half is 2B. And then we can combine log plus log become log base 10, and then we can multiply 10 to the power of 3 plus means multiply of A squared, and then minus is divide, so divide by 2B. So equals to log base 10. So this is 1000 A squared over 2B, or log base 10, 500 A squared over B. So this is the answer. And B, given that 2 log C, 3, equals to 7 plus 4 log 3C. Find the possible values of the positive constant C in exact form. If we see from here, the C will be the base, and the 3 here will be the base. So the base is not the same. So can we make this same base first? We can make it by change one of them into the base of 3, for example. So 2 log C3 equals to 7 plus 4 log 3C. I will change the left side, so it will have the same, the base of 3. So this is 2 log, I put it to base 3. So log 3, and log 3C. Yeah, using the rules of changing the base. Plus equals to 7 plus 4 log base 3C. So in here, I will have 2 times 1 over log C equals to 7 plus 4 log 3C. And then I can multiply, or I can just change the log base 3C equals to y. So I have 2 1 over y equals to 7 plus 4y, and then multiply all by y. So I have 2 equals to 7y plus 4y squared. That means 4y squared plus 7y minus 2 equals to 0. And then we can factorize. To have the 7y, I can have 4y, y, this is 2, so plus 8 minus 1. So y equals to 1 over 4, or y equals to negative 2. And from here, I can rewrite as y equals to log 3c equals to y. So this is equals to 1 over 4. I change back the y. So using the identity, the 3 to the power of 1 over 4 will be equals to c. So c will be equals to, c is 3 to the power of 1 over 4. And for the other one, y is log 3c equals to negative 2. So that means c will be equals to 3 to the power of negative 2. Yeah, so we have two answers. Number 3, do not use a calculator, solve the equation, giving your answer in the form of where a and b are integers. So we have the quadratic equations here. So we can rearrange first. 2 plus root 5x squared minus 4x minus 3, 2 minus root 5 equals to 0. So this is A, this is B, and this all C. So using the formula, minus B plus minus the root of B squared, so it's negative 4 squared, minus 4AC. A and C is negative 3, 2 minus root 5 over 2A, 2 plus root 5. So 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus, okay, I multiply the number first, it becomes positive 12. And then 2 plus root 5, 2 minus root 5 over 2 plus root 5. So in here I will have square root of 16 plus 12 times. So this is a plus b and a minus b. They are conjugate. So the sum multiplied by the conjugate will become a square minus b squared. So it's 2 squared minus root 5 squared. So 2 times 2 plus root 5. So 4 plus minus the square root of 16 plus 12 times 4 minus 5. So it's negative 1 over 2, 2 plus root 5. So equals to 4 plus minus root of 4. 2 plus root 5. So we can simplify 4 plus minus 2, 2 plus root 5. And then we can have x equals to 4 plus 2. So this is 6 over 2. 2 plus root 5. So we have to rationalize times 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. So this is 3. So 3, 2 minus root 5 over, this is the same thing, so 4 minus 5. So it's negative 3, 2 minus root 5. So negative 6 plus 3 root 5. Or the other one is x equals to 4 minus 2. So this is 2 over 2, 2 plus root 5, multiplied by the conjugate, 2 minus root 5 over 2 minus root 5. So cancel this. So I have 2 minus root 5 over 4 minus 5. So it's negative 2 plus root 5. So we have two answers. Number 4. Solve the equation. Yeah, this is the same. This is the log to the base 3. This is log to the base of x. So I have to change. So log base 3, 11x minus 8 equals to 1 plus 2 over, I change the base, so it's log 3 over log 3x. I make it into the new base 3. So log 3, 11x minus 8 equals to 1 plus 2. I switch log 3x over log 3, which is 1, yeah? Log 3, 11 minus 11x minus 8 equals to 1 plus 2 log 3x, yeah, over 1. And then I can put the power log 3, 11x minus 8 equals to 1 plus log 3x squared. And the one here can be changed into log to the base 3, log 3x squared. This is log 3, 11x minus 8. I can combine the right side into multiplication. So 3x squared. And this is log 3, 11x minus 8. So I can take off the log. So it's only 11x minus 8 equals to 3x squared. So 3x squared minus 11x plus 8 equals to 0. So this is 3x, this is x. And to make it into 11, I have to make 4 and 2 cannot, so should be 8 and 1. So it's minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. So that means in here we have x equals to 8 over 3 or x equals to 1. And we have to check are they positive. X equals to 8 over 3. So it will be positive, yeah? Yeah, so there are two answers. And x is greater than 1. So we only take this value. Yeah, we ignore this, reject, because it should be greater than 1. 5. Solve the equation. So the same, we have to collect the EX. So 4 e to x minus 3 equals to 7 e5 minus x. So I can combine it, e to x minus 3 equals to 7 over 4 over e5 minus x. Yeah, I divide to the left side, I divide. And then, because this is already have the same base, so I can just e to x minus 3 minus 5 minus x equal to 7 over 4. So this is e to the power of 2x plus x, 3x, negative 3, negative 5, it's negative 8, 7 over 4. So to remove the e, we can use ln 7 over 4. Yeah, to remove e, we have to use ln. So that means 3x minus 8 equals to 3x equals to ln 7 over 4 plus 8. Is it inexact? They don't mention it. So 1 over 3 ln 7 over 4 plus 8. Or if you put into the calculator, it will be ln 7 over 4 plus 8 divided by 3. 285. Number 6, solve the following equation, giving your answer in 3 significant figures. So we have to collect again. So split this 2, 3x times 2 to the power of 1. And this one, 5x times 5 minus 2. And then I want to collect the x. So it's 2, 3x over 5x equals to 5 minus 2. And then this is 2 to the power of 1. So we divide by 2. And then I change the 2 to the power of 3x into 8 to the power of x over 5x. Yeah, because 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And then equals 2. I put the 5 minus 2 in the denominator. So it's 1 over 5 squared times 2. So that means I can combine this again. 8 over 5x equals to 1 over 50. So x is log 1 over 50 over log 8 over 5. So equals to negative 8, 3, 2. B, so we have the same term here. So I can make it into x, yeah. I just put it x equals to 1 plus 6 over x. And then multiply everything by x. So I have x squared, x plus 6. So x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. X minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 or x equals to negative 2. Again, change back x. So e 2y plus 1 equals to 3. So to remove the e, we have to use ln 2y plus 1 equals to ln 3. So 2y equals to ln 3 minus 1. Y is ln 3 minus 1 over 2. So it's ln 3 minus 1 divided by 2, 0.0493. Or the other one is e 2y plus 1 equals to negative 2. So that means 2y plus 1 equals to ln negative 2, which is not possible. So only one answer, yeah. 7, solve the equation exact form. So we have 2 here, and then we have to remove the 2, put it as the index. So I have ln 2x squared minus 3 equals to ln x squared minus ln 2. And then I can combine the right side into ln x squared over 2. Yeah, because this is subtraction. Equals to ln 2x squared minus 3. So we can take off the ln. 2x squared minus 3 equals to x squared over 2. So 4x squared minus 6 equals to x squared. 3x squared minus 6 equals to 0. So we can divide by 3. X squared minus 2 equals to 0. So x can be root 2 or x can be negative root 2. But in this case, we have ln x, so we cannot have the negative value. So we not possible this way. This is not possible, not applicable, so we reject. So the answer is only x equals to square root of 2. 8. Solve the equation. Give your answer in the form of ln A over ln B. Okay, so we have to rearrange this. Don't forget, we cannot multiply this here. So it's 2 3x times 2 minus 1. Yeah, we split the left side. And then the right side, 5 times 3 to the power of 1, 3 minus x. So this is 2 3x over 2. This is 5 times 3 over 3 to the power of x. And then we can cross multiply. I have 2 3x times 3x equals to 2 times 5 times 3. And this one equals to, okay, to combine this, I have to make it into to the power of x. So this is 8x times 3x equals to 30. So we can combine into 8 times 3 to the power of x equals to 30. So 24 to the power of x equals to 30. And to find x, we can just use ln on both sides. So it's ln 30 over ln 24. Yeah. If you're confused, I will show you the method. So I put ln on both sides. And then using the rule, the power can move to the front. So it's x ln 24 equals to ln 30. So x is ln 30 over ln 24. Okay, that's number 8. Number 9, we have the same, yeah? So we split this for x times 4 minus 2 for x minus 16. So this is for x over 4 square equals to 4x minus 16. So this is 4x over 16 for x minus 16. So I can put y as 4x. So y over 16 equals to y minus 16. So y equals to 16y minus 256. So that means 15y will be equals to 256 and y equals to 256 over 15. And then don't forget to change back the y, yeah? Y is 4 to the power of x is 256 divided by 15. So using the same method, I can use ln or log. Just use ln on both sides. So x ln 4 equals to ln 256 over 15. So x is ln 256 over 15 over ln 4. So that means ln divided by ln 4. It's 205. 3 decimal places. 2047. And number 10, we solve this. The same method, yeah. I can move the 2 to the power, yeah. So it's log base 10 to x plus 1 equals to log base 10 x plus 1 square minus 1. 1 can be changed into the log base 10 of 10. So now I can combine log 10 to x plus 1 equals to log 10. So we can divide x plus 1 square over 10. So I can remove the log. So it's 2x plus 1 equals to x plus 1 square over 10. So 20x plus 10 equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1, where we expand. And then simplify x squared minus 18x minus 9 equals to 0. And then we have to solve this using the formula. So x is 18 plus minus the root of 18 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 9 over 2a, 2 times 1. So that means x is 18 plus minus the square root of 18 squared plus 36, so 360 over 2. That means x can be 18 plus root of 360 over 2. So the root of 360 is 18.9, yeah? So 18 plus answer divided by 2. So this is 18.487, yeah, 3 decimal places. Or we can use 18 minus root of 360 over 2. So 18 minus root of 360 divided by 2. So this is negative 0.487. And then we have to check, can we use both answers? For the first one, this will be positive, this will be positive, so we can take this, correct? And for the second one, negative 0.4, so from here it will be positive. From here it also will be positive, so we can take this too. So we can take both answers. The last number, 0 or necessary working, solve the equation. Okay, so we can change 3 to x plus 3x. So it's 1 over 3x over 3 to x minus 1 over 3x equals to 4. So I can change again 3x squared plus 1 over 3x. 3x squared minus 1 over 3x equals to 4. And then I make y as 3x. So y squared plus 1 over y squared minus 1 over y equals to 4. Cross multiply, y squared plus 1 over y equals to 4y squared minus 4 over y. And then I can combine it, negative 3y squared equals to negative 5 over y. So that means 3y cubed equals to 5. So y cubed is 5 over 3. So y is the cube root of 5 over 3. And since y is 3x, so we can just 5 over 3 cube root. So x is ln of cube root 5 over 3 over ln 3. So equals to 3 significant figures or 3 decimal places. It's the cube root of 5 over 3 ln divided by ln 3. So 0, 1, 5, 5. 3 decimal places. So that's all for this exercise. Thank you. Bye.